For this Christmas, I come with a cake. Cake. Just wait to see what cake is this one. Welcome to my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I am preparing a very special dish. This is inspired from a video from Rimi Tomi. She gone to Azerbaijan and tried their national dish. Okay? We don't have money to go to Azerbaijan to eat this dish. So I am showing you how to make that dish at home. Same taste, same flavor, exactly same as it is. This is what it is. Rice onions. Place a skillet like this. Add butter. Add onions. The onion is ready now. Remove to a plate. Raisins. Saute the raisins also. Wash the mutton. Same pan, add the mutton. Saute. Add salt. Black pepper powder. Cover and let it cook. Add a little bit of water for easy cooking. If you don't want to add water, that's fine. You have to cook on a slow flame. Mix in between. Ready now. Nice, soft and tender. The extra fat from the mutton when we cook we will transfer to a different pot. Cut apricot. Add apricot. Combine well. Cut the prunes. We already removed the fat to the rice, so it will be a little bit on a drier end. So we'll add a little bit of water, not too much, very little. The prunes, mutton, apricot are well combined now. Add the sauteed onions and combine well on a low heat. Turn off the heat and let it cool down. Add some hot water to saffron. Place some water. Add hemp. The boiling water, add the rice. Mix in between. The rice is almost 80% cooked. We will strain. The rice is almost ready now. We will strain. Let's keep the rice onto the side, cool down first. We will transfer half of the rice to the pot we just used for boiling. We will remove the lime. Add the saffron water. Raisins. Get a mold like this. I'm using a cake mold. You can use any mold what you like. I have taken one of this one and another one of this one. Brush the melted butter all over. Brush the butter on the lavish spread. Let's place on the mold onto the edges like this. Make sure you cover the lavish spread all over the mold. See, little bit to the outside, not little bit, a half to the outside and half inside. Cover everywhere. Place the next lavish spread right at the center to cover the bottom. See, after placing the to the center, see everywhere covered. It should be like this. Same like the other mold. Brush butter inside too. After that one, the rice. Add the rice to the mold to the bottom. Do the same thing on the next mold too. The rice onto the side also. Using your hand, make a well like this. On the side rise, bottom rise, but at the center we have some space on both mold. Place the mutton to the center. We have already transferred the mutton onto the both mold. Add the extra rice on top of the mutton. Place the rice on top of the mutton now on both molds. As we done before on the base, we do exactly the same. On the top we place one, then we start folding. Brush the butter on the top. Do on both. Now we will place in the oven. Let's turn on the oven onto baking. Let's bake. Remove the side mold first. This is what Remy Tomi told. Had taken to heaven. The pulao is ready now. It's just we need it. Looks like a cake, but let's cut it off. Let's taste the rice. Oh, nice. The fat from the mutton infused to the rice. So flavorful, so tasty. Mutton also very tender. See the mutton? Very tender mutton. It's melting in the mouth. Wow. We are adding very less spice, just salt and pepper to the mutton. So that makes it very tasty. The real mutton taste, not the spices taste. Real mutton taste. That's a specialty of this dish. So don't miss out to subscribe my channel. Who doesn't want to go to Azerbaijan to eat the dish? I'm showing you how to make it home. So please subscribe my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. And when you eat, you enjoy and eat. Bye.